How to fix emergency call on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix your emergency calls only on Android devices. Now if you're able to see this sort of information or a notification on your device, then there are different reasons why the issue occurs, and along with that there are also multiple different ways to fix it. So I'm going to be showing you some of the easiest way on how you can fix it, so make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. Now first thing, you can try restarting your device. After restarting your device, it might be able to solve your issue all at once. And apart from it, you can also check if your SIM is active and turned on or not. If your SIM card is not active, then it might be one of the reasons why the issue occurred. So what you can do is you can simply go to your SIM card manager and then check for the update. After that, you can also try switching on and off to airplane mode. So for that, scroll down a bit and just toggle the button right over here, and you can also turn it on for 20 seconds, and after that you can simply enable that. After you've done that, it's going to refresh and that might be able to fix the issue. Apart from it, you can also check your settings. So for that, you can go to settings and from here go to network and internet. Over here you'll be able to find what SIM card that you're using and if it is enabled or not. If you're currently turned off, then just toggle the button. Just make sure that the use SIM button is toggled on or is turned on, and that might be able to fix it. Apart from it, you can also check for a reset. So you can go ahead and reset your settings as well. You can also reset your device and that might be able to fix it. Now nothing seems to be working out, then you can change your network type. If you have dual SIM on your device, then you can try changing or switching over to another one, and that might be able to fix it. So these were some of the ways to fix your emergency call only on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.